Alright then. So cheese, my nigga. Say cheese, say cheese. Cheese. Miss, I can't put it down. Say cheese, say cheese. Up and the cheese. We can't fast enough. Snap that out. One tree. Yang.
Dancing Rebel is back from surgery. So she did surgery on her arm. She was dancing, her arm broke. I did a video on that earlier this week. And now it looked like she had a successful surgery. And we're happy to see that. You see me, I say, so big up all of the people and did I send blessings to Dancing Rebel and did I wish her a speedy recovery. And did I wish that her surgery go well. So it looked like everything go well from when she posts, right? So she uploaded the video that we just show at the beginning of this video. And she had a caption with it. So I'm going to tell you what the caption say in a second. But, you know, I just want to say, yeah, I'm happy to say everything go good. You know what I mean? It still will take a little time for get back to normal. I mean, I don't know how long exactly. But yeah, but the most important thing is that the surgery went. So let's take a look at what Dancing Rebel posts and say now. So she says, surgery was successful. Thanks be to God. All my friends, I love y'all. I was well pampered. She tagged Intense Jet Life. We know say I dem a date right now, right? And she said, thanks, always been there to comfort me. Then she said, Ramesh, thanks also. And she tagged Ramesh, my beautiful boss, Spice, pretty, and some more people, right? Then she go down this and she said, my supporters will message me every day. Thanks for the prayers. See you soon, guys. Yeah, so it looked like Rebel good. The surprising thing about Rebel breaking her hand is that Rebel not stop dance. No time. We see Spice go visit her and them a dance. We see she a dance by herself. But there's a little video more I want to show you where she meet a little boy in the hospital. So I'm going to play that for you. So check this out right now.
Go. Say yang. Yang. Say no yang. 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 Yeah, yang.
Dada.
Why I?
Dada.
Why I?
Dada. Dada.
Unruly.
Dada.
Unruly.
Dada.
Yeah. Yeah. Kiss.
The jean.
Kiss. Hey. Kiss. Hey.
So his name is Zane because she just upload that video and the caption say meet Zane and some arts. Nice to see Rebel do that. You see what I say? Nice to see say a little youth, she can cheer him up and thing. Because I don't know what's wrong with him exactly, but you can see him have something over him eye almost. You know, look like I'm eye nothing wrong with. But we wish him a speedy recovery too. You see what I say? But yeah, people, that's basically it. I wanted you to know so Dancing Rebel is good. All of the blessings and the wishes want to send, all of the prayers they want to send up, everything it a work. You see what I say? She did surgery. Iron is good. And it looked like Spice did it in the first video again. I just play that over this. I couldn't see. You see what I say? Like Spice could check her one more time and thing as soon as she come out. So other than that, if you not like and follow page, please like and follow page for daily updates. Thank you.